was very nice. It was awesome. The topic was family. It's a beautiful word, right? Actually, we all are having family. We all are from family, right? Now, discussion of our day will be completed without mentioning the family, because family is a concept with us and vice versa. According to Islamic perspective, all human beings are one family. Prophet Muhammad says that لا فضل لعرب على عجم ولا لعرب على أسود كلكم من آدم وآدم من تراب. There is no any discrimination among whites or blacks, no discrimination among Arabs and non-Arabs. كلكم من آدم وآدم من تراب. All are children of Adam والسلام, and Adam was created of mud and clay. So we all are one family, all are brothers and sisters. And according to coming to the LPS family, we are one big family here. And we have a beautiful campus here. This campus is a universe. All classrooms are gardens in that universe. Teachers are plants and trees in that gardens. And their lecturings, their words and their teachings are flowers in that place and plants. And who are the students? Students are birds and butterflies, those who are sucking honey from that flowers and spreading its fragrance throughout the world. So it's your duty to enlighten tomorrow's world. It's your duty to we all are the champions. Today's students are tomorrow's champions. Today's students are tomorrow's leaders. See, our school motto, leaders in the making. You are going to be tomorrow's leaders. To be a leader, it's very important. Keep discipline. You should be disciplined in your way. You should be disciplined in your classroom. You should be disciplined in front of others. To maintain discipline, try to be engaged with your skills. You all are skilled students. You have a lot of skills. So try to increase your skills. Okay. Try to read more and more. Try to write more and more. Okay. The word ignorant. The Quran was revealed. First revealed the word was ignorant. Read. Because read it is the basic thing of education. As Francis Bacon mentioned in the Old Studies, reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Try to read more and more. Try to increase your skills. Right? Internally you can publish your magazines. So you can increase your writing skills and speak others. Share your knowledge to others. Now exam is coming here. And pretty much already declared, try to read properly, read and understand, and read through ways. Okay, not only. As you can see the word called, man qara'a waman hafiza farra. If anyone is just learning and memorizing it, it will go away fast. But waman kataba farra. If anyone is learning and writing the notes, it will be in our heart. So children, focus on your studies, focus on building your future, better future, okay? So, I conclude my words, mentioning the poetic word, little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the blessed land. Little bits of kindness, little bits of faith, make our earth and heaven, make the heaven above and the woods of Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. We conclude this assembly by paying respects to our motherland.